Welcome to Quickvee POS. In this guide, we'll walk you through configuring your Pinpad. First, navigate to Station Settings, and on the left-hand side, select Hardware. At the top, select Configure Pinpad to access all Pinpad configuration options. If you'd like to perform an automatic batch settlement, start by selecting the Perform Auto Settlement checkbox. Then, click on the empty field with the clock icon to select the time you'd like the Pinpad to automatically batch. Don't worry if you skip this step. By default, Quickvee Pinpads are set to batch automatically at 2 a.m. However, if you'd like to receive your funds the next business day, make sure to batch out before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, depending on your time zone. To settle your batch manually, simply click the Settle Batch Immediately button in the top right corner. If you'd like to accept tips via credit card, toggle the Accept Tips on. If you'd also like to allow tips with split payments, toggle the Split Payment Tips switch on as well. Next, select the communication type for the Pinpad. Most Quickvee users use Ethernet as their main communication method. If your communication method is Ethernet, ensure the communication type is set to Ethernet. Now, locate the serial number of your Pinpad on the back of the device. It usually starts with 171, 144, or 229, and enter it into the serial number field below. Once you've entered your serial number, click Fetch Device Info, and the IP address and port number fields will automatically populate. Once done, click Save, then click Verify. If successful, you'll see Packs Connected displayed at the bottom of your screen. If your Pinpad is programmed for USB, select USB as the communication type, then click Save and Verify. The system will display Packs Connected if the configuration is successful. And that's it! Your Pinpad is now configured and ready to use. With Quickvee POS, setup is fast and easy, so you can focus on running your business smoothly. Thank you for choosing Quickvee.